Hi everyone and welcome to the brand new video. Today I'm going to take you through the brochure of Adreno and Energy FX by LML Motorcycles. So these are two bikes. This is the Adreno FX and this is the Energy FX. So initially we had the Adreno and Energy, but what you see here are the FX series. Now FX is nothing but basically a version with some cosmetic changes that was launched in the later stage. So both these motorcycles have same engine, same chassis, the design language is nearly same. Only the difference is the front of the Adreno had fixed fairing with indicated indicators and headlamps. Here what you see in the Energy is a very classic treatment with circular headlamps, a fairing on top with dual horns and some chrome elements. The Adreno gets a disc brake up front and the Energy comes with a drum brake. So these are the differences in both these bikes. The engines were same with 9 bhp power output and the mileage was around 80 km per liter, but I don't think so on road the performance was so good because these bikes were damn heavy compared to the power output. So I'll just open the brochure. So here we'll get the details of Energy FX. I think this is the first bike to be launched in India with a fixed fairing, because I still remember during my childhood we all were so fascinated with this bike because the headlamps were fixed with the fairing. 110cc engine, 9 bhp, 3 valve and 5-speed gearbox. So these were the features of this specification of this motorcycle. And no doubt the tire, they have mentioned the widest rear tire. Yes, it had the widest rear tire. And just look at the design of the exhaust. It is upswept, it's swept upwards. So these were some of the elements which made this bike attractive. But again, as I said, this looked like a 150cc motorcycle, but sadly it had only a 100cc engine with it. So these were available in different colors. You can see there was a dual tone option available over here with yellow silver and blue silver combination. The Energy, as I said, the Adreno has a sporty look while the Energy is more of a classic motorcycle with some chrome elements up front. Looking at the specifications, as I said, both the bikes shares same engine, 3 valve 4-stroke engine, air cooled engine, which is 109cc. And just look at the top speed. You can see over here the maximum speed was just 90 km per hour. (14 liters of fuel tank, 80 km per liter was the mileage. And this is more comparison between other motorcycles. So if you look at the Energy and Adreno were compared with Passion, Splendor, Caliber, Chroma from Bajaj Auto and TVS Victor. So if you remember, all those bikes were mere commuter bikes, a bare basic elements on those bikes, and they were typical commuter bikes. So compared to that, no doubt the Adreno and Energy did look good, but the letdown was the performance with a small engine. So the comparison was done on the engine, the wheelbase, widest rear tire, disc brake, electric start, biggest brake drums. So that is one thing. Vibration damper, 5-speed gearbox, because other bikes had 4-speed and both these bikes did have 5-speed gearbox. Tachometer, highest ground clearance and pass by switch. So guys, if you have any videos, if you have any information regarding this bike, if you have the first generation, or the what do you say, the brochure which was launched in the initial phase, if you have any different design brochure of both these bikes, please do share with us. We will share those videos over here. So this is it, the brochure of LML, Adreno FX and Energy FX. Enjoy this video and stay tuned for more videos of some rare motorcycles. I think this will be the next that I will be covering, the Stalio from Mahindra.